What's up, YouTube? We got another video today. Today we doing what should have happened a long time ago. I done had this shit for about probably 3 months, 4 months. We gonna do the grill. We gonna take the OEM grill off, and we gonna put this aftermarket mesh grill, all black. And when I had my old 300, the V6, I did it myself. But today, my right-hand man, he gonna do it for me because he a little nigga, and I don't feel like getting all on the ground and shit. So I'm gonna show y'all the OEM grill. Then I'm gonna show you the after with the new grill on. And I'm gonna have him tell y'all how hard it is. It ain't really that much to it. It's like a lot of these little clip-ins, but it's more tedious than anything.
Side drinks, but I got it.
Excuse the dirt, gotta get a car wash, bro. This is good that's going on. This is good what's going on. I already took all these push pins out. Y'all gotta go subscribe to his channel too.
Marvelous. MODVLOUS.
I'm gonna put the link or something on the video so y'all can go subscribe to that. Yeah, I had this grill too long now. It's a little nip tuck out here, but it's been cooler these last few days, so this kind of a milder day, so go ahead and try to knock that out. Took a nice little while. Let me see. Took an hour.
Hardest part was getting the bump out. Getting the grill out, separated from the bumper. That was the hardest part. Other than that, it was cool.
Got a little imperfection right here. I think this just from it not being OEM, being aftermarket, but I might fix that later on. Well, finished product.